Alright, here we have a couple of Mitsubishis around here. I'll show you like the entire building. But there's like a few of them. So here we have this first one right here. It's a Daikin. Pretty sure this is in yeah, that's in heat mode. It's split system too. So this is an inverter, we'll call it 2021 1.5 ton. Okay. Next one. Here we got a Mitsubishi one. Probably on. Oh, this one's turning on, or it's going into a higher stage. Yeah, I just recorded it going into a higher stage. That's cool. This just turned on or something. Hold on. It's in 22. So this one's 2022, and this is a model number. I forget where the model number is on these. Okay, yeah, 3 ton. I assume this is in heat mode. Whoa. Yeah. We got this one over here. This is a huge one. In 2020. 3.5 ton. It's huge. It's nice and warm. Yeah, heat mode. I can already tell. Here. Daikin right here. $2015 2 ton. I think this one's brand new, actually. Or this one's newer. This is 20,000 BTU. It's heat mode. Alright. If this bush weren't in here, I would get a double shot of these units. Well, since it is here, single shot for now. Yeah, it's colder out here. These things are in heat mode. This one's 2017. Oh, yeah, this is a very small one. This is a 9,000 BTU. I don't know what it is. Power generator over there. I guess I'll go check that out in a second. Yeah. For watching, and over and out.